Hi everyone, I hope everyone has an amazing day. In today's episode, we're going to see how to reduce the image file size by using Photoshop. I downloaded this image from pexels.com, which is 3.7 megabytes. I'm going to show you right now. As you can see here, it's 3.7 megabyte. I'm going to open it with Photoshop. I'm waiting to load. And after I load the image on Photoshop, I say File and choose Export, and then I say Save for Web. Here we have the quality of 30 JPEG medium, which is great. And here down we see how much the export of this file will be 1.35 megabytes. I click Save, I choose my destination, I say Original, Medium, or for Web, whatever you want. I say save, I wait to save, and here is our zipped file, which is currently for 1.35 megabytes. I open it and see if we have any image loss. No, we don't have any image loss. Everything is originally here. We can compare it side by side. Here's the original, and here is our zipped image, which is identically the same. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future contents. Until then, see you. Bye bye.